As a content creator, it's not always easy to bring content ideas to make videos on. Sometimes you wake up in the morning thinking about what to make videos on because you are lacking content ideas. It's not easy. So that's why, as a content creator, it is good sometimes to try different things so that you see what your audience like and then focus on it. That's how in my channel I have taught a lot of several things. So guys, as I plan to take this channel to a very higher level, I am glad to inform you guys that today I'll be going to the market to go and buy security cameras. I know a lot of people don't know about that technology, about security camera and installation. So guys, so I've seen the need that as insecurity keeps booming in the world and people don't know about this technology. So I want to also start my tutorials to expand to security camera installation. So guys, today I'll be going to the market and buying this. I'll start from the analog, after which I will advance to the wireless digital camera where you can stay from another state and view your house in another state. Understand guys? So guys, just stay tuned on my channel. So as I said, I will start from scratch then to the end. I will start from the analog that uses DVR, after which I will advance more and more. And for those that haven't seen how these cameras look like, I will try and give you guys detailed look, and I'll show you guys all you need to install security cameras. Also, I'll be showing you guys how much I buy each of the items and how much the whole thing will cost me. So guys, in this channel you will learn a lot of things. If you're coming newly, just stay tuned on this channel. Learn with Mr. Boke, because I've planned to take this channel to a greater level. So guys, just stay tuned and wait for my next video that I will come and show you guys the cameras I'll be buying. For now, thanks for watching and bye.